What's going on, everybody? So today I want to talk to you guys about what I've been doing in the Frankenstein lawn. So if you've seen any of my previous videos, I actually did a video on what my plans are for the Frankenstein lawn. I'll put a link to that in this video, and you can go check out that video for what my overall plans are, because I'm not going to go through that all over again. But about 4 weeks ago, we started the work, or I should say my neighbor started the work on removing the stump of this tree. We cut it down last November. And now we're just starting to dig up the roots and remove the stump. We're wanting to have this whole area done and ready to go and flattened out for plugging with the Bermuda at mid to late April. Like I said, we've been kind of, we started this about a month ago, just kind of working on it periodically after work or a random day in the weekend. We have not been like working on this very consistently, but just kind of chipping it away. And it's actually kind of been a little bit of fun because days are just a little bit warm. We come out, work off some of the steam and energy we've been building up inside all winter. It's just good camaraderie between me and my neighbor. We're good friends. We love being out in the yard and doing this kind of stuff, so that's been a lot of fun as well. And then this past Friday, as you can see, he actually got a big root that was coming off the trunk removed from the tree. I actually have some really good footage of that. He thought he had it detached enough from the trunk, so he tried to pull it out of the ground with his Kia SUV, and I'm going to show you that right here. Yeah, it's tight.
Hold on, Ben. It's not doing anything at all yet. It's not even moving.
So as you can see, he really didn't budge that root at all. It was pretty funny. My neighbor and I love just kind of joking around anytime we're working together out in the yard, and I just wanted to share that little footage with you guys. But anyway, probably about 30 or 40 minutes later, he had dug up a little bit more around that big root, cut more of the little roots coming off of it, and then had it coming out of the ground. And as you can see, it's a huge root. I mean, just to give you some perspective, I mean, it's at least 12 inches in diameter, and that was coming off the main trunk. And there's probably maybe one more that size, and then there's a smaller root coming off the trunk as well. So since we were able to get this done, you know, somewhat quick on random days over the last, you know, 4 weeks, if we actually, you know, work consistently through a weekend, we think we can make really good progress just digging this up by hand with some shovels, pickaxes, and axes, and chainsaws, and all that kind of stuff. So I don't think we're going to be renting a stump grinder. I think we are going to be doing this all by hand. I think by doing it by hand, we're going to be able to remove more precisely some of the bigger roots than we would be able to with a stump grinder. And it might take us longer, but in the grand scheme of things, it's just kind of rewarding to dig these things up, and it's kind of fun just to beat ourselves up digging this stump out of the ground after we've been inside all winter long. I'm going to try to give you guys more footage on this Frankenstein lawn project. I'm not the best at getting good footage all the time when I'm doing projects and working in the yard, but I'm trying to get better at that. In the grand scheme of things, I am still new to the whole YouTube thing. But I really wanted to thank all my supporters, all the subscribers that watch my videos. It's been a really fun journey just being a voice in this lawn care community. I'm currently pushing 700 subscribers. My main goal for this year is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel to get more content and follow-ups on this Frankenstein lawn and for all the other projects I'm gonna be doing in my lawn this year in 2019. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and as always, I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video.